What are quick ways to come up with a video message for your clients? Hi, I'm Yuka van Dam, video and presentation coach, and I want to give you some of the techniques that I was teaching my clients in my recent YouTube masterclass. And some of those techniques are also covered in my Power of Persuasion presentation bootcamp. So if you need to compile a presentation for your clients, you first need to ask yourself, what are the fires that they might not be aware of? What are the problems and what is keeping them awake at night? Could you potentially be giving them some answers for that? And then ask yourself, what are their dreams and desires? Could you help move them forward towards that place of things that they are wanting to achieve in their personal life or in their business? When you actually want to write the message, start off with a question or a how-to statement. So say, do you want to develop a video message and you don't know where to start? I'm going to give you the quick how-to techniques, how to do that. Then try to have a maximum of 3 points that you could elaborate on. One of the structures that I was giving the team that attended my short masterclass was tell a story and make a point. So do you have a story that actually illustrates you doing that specific technique that you want to teach them? And is there a specific subheading for that story? Or otherwise, start with the heading and then lead into the story. The other structure is problem, solution, benefit, or past, present, and future. I hope that this is going to give you some techniques and ideas on how to very quickly develop a video to engage with your clients.